Have you ever stared at the night sky and wondered, how did all of this come to be? Today we're going to explore one of the most compelling explanations to that question, the Big Bang Theory. In the beginning, or rather before the beginning, there was nothing. No stars, no galaxies, no planets or moons. Only a singularity, a point of infinite temperature and density, existed. But then, something extraordinary happened. This singularity began to expand. This event, known as the Big Bang, happened approximately 13.8 billion years ago. In the first fraction of a second, the universe expanded faster than the speed of light in a process called cosmic inflation. The universe was still very hot and dense, but as it continued to expand, it also began to cool. Within the first 3 minutes, the universe cooled enough for the first atomic nuclei to form, in a process known as nucleosynthesis. Hydrogen and helium, the lightest elements, were born. Hundreds of thousands of years passed. The universe continued to cool and expand, and the first atoms formed. These atoms began to gravitate towards each other, forming clouds of gas. Over the course of millions of years, these gas clouds became denser and denser. Eventually, the pressure and heat in the center of these clouds became so great that nuclear fusion ignited, giving birth to the first stars. These stars grouped together to form galaxies, and within those galaxies, new stars formed and died, creating heavier elements in their cores. Some of these stars exploded in spectacular supernovae, scattering these elements across the universe. Planets, including our own Earth, formed from the remnants of these exploded stars. And here we are, billions of years later, contemplating our origins. So to recap, the Big Bang Theory proposes that the universe began as a singularity, a point of infinite temperature. This singularity began to expand in a Big Bang, creating space and time. The universe then cooled and expanded, allowing for the formation of atomic nuclei, atoms, stars, galaxies, and eventually planets. It's an extraordinary story, isn't it? From a singularity to a universe teeming with galaxies, stars, and planets. From nothing to everything. And the most remarkable part? This is just one theory. Scientists continue to explore, to question, to wonder. Because like you, they look up at the night sky and think, how did all of this come to be?